my name is Ashley. Today I made these special earrings and I want to share how I made them in a microwave kiln using dichroic glass. Alright, so let's get to it. I will link all items used in the description box below. I used bullseye kiln paper and 96 COE glass. I used a black base along with two different textured dichroic glass on top. I placed the texture side facing up and the smooth side of the glass facing down for both second and third layer. Don't forget to wear your safety glasses and welder gloves. I put the lid on the kiln twice to ensure the glass is still intact. The first round I did for 3 minutes to make sure the glass was still in place. I continued to look at the fusing process every 15 to 30 seconds to see if the glass had fused together into a cabochon dome without any sharp grooves. Let the glass cool off for at least 50 minutes. Even after, the glass still might be too hot to handle, as in this case it was for me. Each time you check on your work, please use caution by wearing safety glasses and your welder gloves. Rinse off the kiln paper by submerging the glass into cool water. Timing will vary depending on your microwave. There are different methods of attaching a bag onto an earring. I prefer using 2 layers of UV resin. I hope that I have inspired you, and I would love to hear your feedback in the comments below. If you have enjoyed this video and would like to see more crafty crafts, please join me by subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell. Until next time, see you soon.